Hello guys, this video is going to give you a hint to BTC direction. Stay tuned till this video is over. All right, so if you are new to my YouTube channel, please kindly click on the subscription button to join the family. So if you notice, BTC have been on bullish market since it created this move on the 9th of April 2025. It created a bullish move, which if I should scroll down, you understand what the price is doing. So you notice after this move on the 9th of April, because this is on the 9th of April 2025, if you take a trend line drawing it from this 9th of April, holding back, you notice that price is actually on a trending market. This first stage for you to discover that actually price is on a trending market using a trend line strategy. And if you notice, price was bullish, came all the way to this particular highs, came here again, came all the way to this particular highs, have been bullish, came all the way to this low, just creating, and then price came all the way, retest on the trend line for the second time, and then hit back up, okay, and then hit back up again. You notice price hit back up to this particular zone, and then came back again to hit the trend line the third time. And then what happened? Price went all the way to this high, taking out this previous high, which it created on this particular zone. So what actually is price telling you? Main looking at price direction, it's telling you that BTC is an uptrend. Like I told you guys that you should buy BTC when BTC was not, I think BTC was on 101. I told you guys to buy BTC, that BTC is going to cross all the way to 109, which BTC did here. If you notice, BTC crossed all the way. This is it, crossed all the way to $111 before started falling back. And this is a waging trend line telling that price is still on an uptrend, telling that BTC have more probability to keep on shooting back up. All right, unless this trend line is being broken, you notice that BTC will be falling, which right now I don't think price will get to that, because right now BTC is on bullish. So what you'll be expecting is a bullish market from BTC, which I mark out from the daily time frame. If you notice, this is the highest level. I told you guys that once price should come into this particular zone, you should be looking at what you should be looking out for a continuation. You should be looking out for a continuation of the buyers once this high is being broken, which price came all the way to this particular highs and then broke it out, tried to make a retracement, and then came inside again. So right now, price is inside, trying to make a retracement. All you can do is using up the TRSS, marking out this lowest level that price made. So price can do is to come in, make a second hit on this particular zone, giving an equal low, and then pushing back. So before you can join the buyers on this particular zone, all you have to just do is to wait for price to break in. It will break in, break up again, taking out this high. This is a continuation of the buyers. So once price have taken out this high, it will come back again and retrace on this particular zone, which it currently broke. And this is the continuation of the buyers. That is where you can join the buyers, because right now, BTC is currently on a buying, because it's actually on a trend line. You can see wedging on a trend line, telling that price is actually going up. Before wedging on that trend line, notice price created an equal low here, which currently push price. Price break out of this high. You see 3 RSS work very perfectly. Price break out of this high. And then what's happened? Telling that this is a continuation. This is a change of character, right? So this is a change of character, telling that oops, price is going up. So all you just have to do is to mark out this next level that price created here. So once you mark out this next level that price created here, you notice price pull all the way to this particular zone, right? Yes, and then price went up again to break out of this high. So this is third move, right? Yeah. So the third move should be where you be entering at the top of the price. First move, this is it. Price will have to take. This is our first move, creating these highs, came back again, wasn't able to break this low. First confirmation that sellers are losing momentum. And then this is it. Buyers are in the market taking out this high. So this is when you know that price is actually buying. So price can give you this buying opportunity, come into this particular supply zone and then start selling. But that is why price sold all the way to this particular zone. But unfailingly for the sellers to continuously selling, the buyers took over and then broke out of this high which is created. This would have been your entry zone when price have actually retested on this high which it created and then shoot up price which price retested on it and taking this high. If I'm dragging it, let me say I drag up to let me say I drag this high or okay, let me say I drag this high back to this particular zone. What is price trying to tell you? It's acting as a resistance to price. Was acting as a resistance for those of us that are using support and resistance. And it is price pull up, breakout, and then retrace in here. What happened? Price give you a multiple rejections telling that I am not going down. Sellers momentum is losing. All you have to do is to wait for the buying opportunity. This is an engulfing candlestick telling that buyers are in the market. I always tell you that this is my entry candlestick. Look for engulfing. Engulfing is a very strong uh sellers entry zones and buyers entry zones. Look for bearish engulfing for the for the sellers, bullish engulfing for the buyers. Stay connected. If you look at now, price give me this engulfing here and then push up. Came back again for the second time. Give us another engulfing here. Telling us price is rejecting on this particular zone. Okay, how many engulfing do we see here? We saw one, we saw two, we saw three on the particular zone, telling that price is going. So even though you miss out this, looking for more confirmation, you miss out this, price came again, give you another one. This would have been a very clean opportunity for you to start entering into the market. Very sniper entry. Stop loss will be very, very tight. And then your TP, you target whatever risk relation. And you notice after price did that, what happened? Price went all the way up. What happened? Constantly being respecting its move. Break out of this high. Retrace on it. See it. Once it has to break out, what's see the retracement here? Retrace on it. You see it. Drag it. You see that it retrace on this particular zone. Boom. And then start hitting back. You see it. So this is knowing you know or discover that price is actually on an uptrend. And price move up. So creating an imbalance on this particular zone. And then move up to this particular zone. Created a low here. Shoot up again to break out of this high. Continuation of the buyers. Price came again, retraced on it, and then went up again with this particular move here. I don't know if you guys are getting me. And you notice price move all the way here, taking out, created this high, right? Yes. Gave us this retracement, gave us this push again. What's happened? This push was higher than this. Continuation of the buyers. Price give us a retracement to this level, give us this retracement, give us this pullback, and then wasn't still able to break any of these lows that is given here. So this is something like a consolidation that the price was creating here. And then look at boom. Was this move not higher than this? Was it not higher than this? Was it not higher than this? Continuation of the buyers. Price retrace again, boom, all the way to this particular low. These lows was being respected. None of the lows were being broken. And what's happening again? Price shoot up, make a retracement, boom. This is continuation of the buyers, telling that buyers are in the market. All you just have to be looking for is a buying opportunity. So BTC is bullish. BTC is bullish. This year is going to be a bullish year for BTC. So looking out for a buying opportunity. If you are the kind of person that buy and hold, I think this year would be a good year for you, all right? So this is it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe for the channel if you are new. All right. So don't forget to also share to your friends and like. So this is it. Take care and bye for now.